Hi, yesterday we did solving problems using mixed measurements. That was where our number, our measurement in the corner was used to help us. So let's go ahead and do some more problems. Here's the first one. I have 3 gallons and 2 quarts, and I need to turn them all into quarts. See if you can figure out what number I'm going to put in the corner. Well, I know that in each gallon, my gallon kingdom, there were 4 queens. So I'm going to put the number 4 in the corner. 3 times 4, because that's a gallon, not a quart yet, is 12. This is a quart, so I do not need to multiply it. 12 plus 2 is 14. My answer is 14 quarts. Give this one a try. All right, let's see how you did. I have days and hours. Well, in one day, I know there is 24 hours. So I'm going to multiply 7 by 24. 4 times 7, well, 4 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 14 is 28. 4 times 2 is 14. 14, 15, 16. 14 hours is already in hours. Don't need to change that. I'm just going to add them all up. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 6, 7, 8, 1. My answer is 182. Here's another one. See if you can figure this one out. All right, let's see how you did. On your paper, you have this written down, and in the corner, you should have the number gallon, quart. There were 4 queens in a gallon kingdom, so you should have the number 4. Okay, now let's go ahead and add. 1 plus 2 is 3. Don't forget your label. 3 quart, 3 is smaller than 4. I'm okay there. And 2 gallon, 3 gallon, 2 plus 3 is 5 gallon. My answer is 5 gallons, 3 quarts. Let's give this one a try. All right, let's see how you did. On your paper, you have this with the number pounds, ounces, the number 16 in the corner. Okay, we put this in there just in case. Let's see, can we subtract this? Yes, we do not need to regroup. Okay, well, 12 subtract 8 is 4. Let me double check that. 4 and 8 adding together is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yep, correct there. 3 minus 1 is 2. I hope you notice that without the labels, this looks like the number 24. That's not correct. This is not 24. This is 2 pounds and 4 ounces. Go ahead and give this one a try. All right, let's see how you did. You should have this written down in the corner. You should have year and month, year and month. That means 12. 12 months in 1 year. The reason we did it is because right here, we cannot subtract these numbers. 9 is smaller than 10. We have to regroup. So I'm going to go right here. 4 becomes a 3. Then I am not adding by 10, and this is not a base 10. I'm doing it by base 12. 9 plus 12, well, 9 plus 12, if you don't know it off to the top of the head, you can put it off to the side and add it up. 9, 10, 11, 21. This is 21. Now I can subtract. 10 subtract 21 is 11. Don't forget your label. 3 subtract 1 is 2 years. 2 years and 11 months. Here's another one. I'm going to do this one with you because it looks like it's fairly multi-step. A couple of problems. Ted's new puppy weighed 8 pounds, 11 ounces 2 months ago. I'm going to write that down. 8 pounds, 11 ounces. The 1 month later, the puppy had gained 2 pounds, 7 ounces. During the second month, the puppy gained 3 pounds, 5 ounces. How much does Ted's puppy weigh now? This is 3 steps. Got to add all 3 of these numbers up. Let's go ahead and put our number in the corner and add it all up. All right, we put the number, pounds, ounces, we put 16 in the corner. 11 plus 7 is 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 ounces. We have an issue. 23 is larger than 16. We have to regroup. We have to rename. Just like in fractions, we had to rename because the numerator was bigger than the denominator. Well, this number is bigger than our base of 16. So I'm going to do 23. I'm going to subtract 16. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7. I now have 7 ounces. But because I took one whole away, I'm going to circle it and I'm going to put one whole over here. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I have 14 pounds and 7 ounces. When the number is larger than our base, we do have to rename it, regroup it, whatever you want to call it, so that we take one whole away and we put it in our larger units. Here's another problem. Go ahead and give it a try. Let's see how you did. We have 2 gallons of lemonade to sell at her lemonade stand. So we have 2 whole gallons. At the end of the day, she had 2 quarts, 1 pint left. How many 1-cup servings did she sell? This sounds a bit tricky. Maybe we should turn everything into cups. That's what she really wants, is cups. So I'm going to turn 1 gallon into something cups. Just like we've done before, I'm going to turn 2 quarts into something cup. I'm going to do 1 pint into something cup. And then it wants to know at the end of the day, she had 2 quarts, 1 pint left. So I'm going to subtract these. Okay, let's give it a try. If you remember your gallon kingdom, we have 4 powerful queens. Each queen had a prince and a princess. I hope you have more space to write this on than I do. Each prince and princess has 2 cups. All right, we have everything we need right here. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. I'm going to put 16 out here. Now in a quart and a cup, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to put 4. And in a single pint, we have 2. Now I know what to multiply by. 16 times 2, 72. 2 times 4 is 8. 1 times 2 is 2. Well, I now can subtract these. Giving myself more space. 72 subtract 8. This is me to regroup. Because I am just subtracting, because they're all the same right here, I do not have pounds or ounces. I've changed them all into cups. I don't have to worry about the number I circled anymore. So I can just do base 10. 8 subtract 12, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 64. But I'm not done. I still got 2 more, so I'm going to subtract 2 more. 64 subtract 2 is 62 cups. That's my answer. So there are really 2 ways to do this. You can convert everything into the smaller units, or you can remember that we have this base over here and we do everything by the base. It becomes your choice. I want you to give this one a try and see which choice you did. Go for it. All right, let's go ahead and try it now. 4 friends compete in a relay race. Each friend ran one leg of the race. Anna ran her leg in 2 minutes, 15 seconds. Curly ran her leg in 1 minute, 53 seconds. Marie ran her leg in 2 minutes, 9 seconds. Zoe ran the final leg in 1 minute, 58 seconds. If you turn them all into seconds, then that would be fine. You would not have to worry about a base, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to actually, what was the total? I'm going to add them all up just like this. Okay, so 15 plus 30, 53, 9, and 58. Okay, well, 5 plus 3 is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let me double check that. We have 8, 17, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Yep. If you're ever unsure, double check. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, I forgot to put something in the corner. What should I have put? I hope you put 60. 135 is larger than 60. I need to subtract 60. 6, add on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That is 7. 75 is still larger than 60. I need to do it again. There we go. 15 is now smaller than 60. Please circle the holes. 1, 2. I need to put 2 up here as my regroup. Well, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minutes, 15 seconds. This is one way I can do it without having to change everything into seconds and then everything back into minutes. All I had to do was remember my base of 60, and when this number was too big, all I had to do was subtract it. Go ahead and take the quiz now.